Hello all, today we are going to check the problem of a binary tree level order traversal. So this is a very important question which is asked in many big companies like Google, Amazon, Flipkart, Walmart. Okay, so let's take a look on the question and what is the output we need to give. So the question that given is given the root of a binary tree, return the level order traversal of its nodes values from left to right level by level. So they given a root 3, so let's say assume this is an input, the output is 3, 9, okay, this thing. So I think we need to give the output as a level by level from left to right. So what do they mean by a level is, so this will be the level 0 and this will be the level 1 and this will be the level 2. And the return type they have mentioned over here is a list of integers. So if you see the output which contains list of integers. So let's take the result is as a list of integers. It's going to be kind of this way. Fine. And so for the first root 3 which has a level 0, and we need to the approach is for the level, there is no list, we just create a new array list inside this result list and we will be pushing the root dot value. So for the result dot size is 0 and level is also 0. So that means there is no list for the level 0 inside the result. So we'll just create a new list as temp and we will be adding this 3. And this 3 will be added now to the result. Fine. Okay, and since it's a DFS, it will going to depth first, so it will go to the left. So since they said it's from left to right, so it will go to 9. So in the 9, it will check the level 1. So it will check the result dot size. Result dot size is 1. So 1 is equal to this 9 of level. So that means 9 level is not even there in the result. So we need to create a temp of 9 as a list, and we will be adding it to the result list. So we'll be adding the 9. Okay. So we'll be adding this 9. And afterwards, since the left and right is empty, it will come back to the 3 and will go to the 20. So in the 20, for the level 1, it will check the result dot. Result dot size is already 2. But our level is 1. So that means we are having a array list for the level 1. So we need to get it and add this 20 over here. And this applies for both 15 and 17. Okay, so let's do coding now. Okay. So this is a function of level order which has a type of list of integers. So what the output we need to give is a list of integers. So we'll just first define that. So that will be a result equal to array list. And we need to, since we are first, we need to call that function. Let the function name be recursive. So what are the arguments we need to pass? So we need to pass the root and the level. Since the level will be, since the root will be level 0, just pass 0. And then we will be passing the result because we need to add some root values to the result. So we are passing the result. And the return thing will be result. Okay, then we will declare the function public. And for the recursive thing, it is return type will be empty. So just return it as void recursive. So the parameters will be root. Root is from the class 3 node. 3 node root command. So it's a level is level, and the result will be of list. So first condition is check. So for the first root 3, we need to check whether the result contains the list for 3. So how to check this? So if result dot size equal to level means the list for the level is not available, so we need to create them. So how to create them? So first we need to create a temp list of integer temp equal to list of integer. Okay. And we need to add 3 in this temp. So temp dot add root dot value. So we have created a 3 array list. We will add it to the result list, right? So that we are going to do now. So result dot add temp. Fine. And what will be the else part? So else part is so for example 20 thing the level 1 which is already available for within 9. So just add. We need to add this 20 root dot val in this level 1. So how to do that? So thing is, so result dot get of this level. So level, you will be getting this level. So if it is coming 20 means it will be adding only 9. So you will get that level dot. What you are going to do is add what we add this 20. So root dot val. Then we need to do the condition for the DFS. So DFS is so in your root. So it's from the essence in the question they said from left to right. So we need to go to the left and then we should come to the right. So for this, so if root dot root dot left not equal to null means we can recursively call it. What are the root dot left level will be +1 for sure. Then result will be passing the result. Okay, so just copy it. And the same applies for the left. So after completing to the left, it will come to the right. So root dot right not equal to null. So here another thing condition to be checked is so the input itself is an empty tree, means during that time it should not go to over there. So what we need to do, so like empty tree means it should return an empty array. So this condition should be if root not equal to null, it will call this function. So if it is root is null means it will return a result which is an empty result. I think that works. I think it's perfect. So thank you guys. So thanks for watching. So to keep me motivated, please like the video and be commenting videos like if you have any doubts and comment if you need to know any some other questions and problems. Thank you.